Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you work with data, marketing plans, CRM lists, lesson tracking or content calendars, combining Claude plus Google Sheets in 2026 can turn your spreadsheets into a fully AI-powered automation and analysis tool. In this guide, I will show you how to properly use Claude with Google Sheets in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and professionally. So first thing first, we have two or three methods you can use into or in this tutorial. So we have manual workflow, which is the easiest. We have automation tools, which is the most popular, and we have the third method, which is Google Apps Script plus Claude API, which is advanced. Okay, so let's stick into the most popular one, which is the automation tools. So this is the most common professional setup. Automation platforms include Zapier, Make, workflow automation tools. Okay, so connect Google Sheets. So inside your automation platform, connect Google accounts, choose spreadsheet, choose worksheets, common triggers like new row added, row updated, spreadsheet modified. So triggers decide when Claude runs. Okay, so now connect Claude. So you will need Claude API key, add Claude as processing step, authorize connection. Claude becomes the AI engine. Okay, now configure AI processing. So for example, example workflow, new spreadsheet row added, automation sends row add data to Claude. Claude generates output save in another column. So fully automatic AI spreadsheet. Okay, so now here are some the most useful real world setup. For example, content generator, data analysis assistant, data cleaner. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.